Hi! In front of me is the ZTE A53 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can add video file to text message. Firstly, open Messages app and select one of your chats. Then click on this plus at the bottom left corner. Following that, you need to click on this little icon of a photo on the left. Click on Folders. Select the Videos filter at the top or click on one of your apps. Finally, to add your video, hold it and choose Select at the top right corner. As you can see, after that, my file was successfully attached. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!